Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Math Grade 3 First Term 2021. Chapter 1 Lesson 2A Bar Graph. Pages 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now let's go to bar graph. After we collect our data by asking a question about a specific title, we need to organize it in a table to make it easy to understand it. Now let's go to create our bar graph. To create any bar graph, we need a title and a horizontal axis which contain, the item in this table, vertical axis which contain the scale of numbers 1 or 2 or 5 or 10. Okay, and make sure to make a space between each bar. Okay. Now, after we draw this bar graph, we need to answer some questions about this data. WH questions, comparing questions, and adding and subtracting questions. Now let's go to solve an exercise on drawing bar graph. Number 1, represent the following data using bar graph. Okay, my title is My Favorite Sport. Okay, and this is our lattice or grid to draw our bar graph on it. Okay, first of thing, write our title, My Favorite Sport. Make sure to write it first. Next, draw our horizontal axis, which is mean, the first row, sport. Using your pencil, put a dot on the grid, then draw using your ruler, a straight line called the horizontal axis. This horizontal axis is called sport. Okay, then using your ruler to draw, our vertical axis, number of kids. Okay, and call it number of kids. Now let's go to the horizontal axis row. Now let's continue our drawing on horizontal axis. Right, football, swimming, baseball, basketball and tennis. And make sure to make a space between each item. Next thing, the vertical axis called the number of kids. Okay, our scale is 9, 7, 3, 6 and 5. Then the scale will be by 1, beginning from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then begin to draw any item. Looking at football, how many kids? 9 kids. Then go to the football in the lattice or the grid. Okay, and up until 9. Then stop. Then using your ruler, draw these bars. Second item, swimming. How many kids? 7 kids. Go to the lattice and swimming, up until, you reach 7. Then using your ruler, draw this bar. Okay, third item, baseball. How many kids? 3. Go to the lattice, baseball, up until 3, and then stop. Using your ruler, draw this bar. Okay, go to the basketball. How many kids? 6 kids. Okay, go to the basketball on this grid and up until you reach 6. Then using your ruler, draw this bar. Then go to the last item, which is tennis. How many kids? 5 kids. Then go to the grid, up until you reach 5 on tennis. And use your ruler to draw this bar. After you finishing drawing these bars, you can color it using your color pencils. Okay, your crayons. Okay, then this bar is completed. Okay. Second one, number 2, represents the following data using bar graph. Okay, we have a title, My Favorite Food. Then we go already to this graph and write down my favorite food. Okay, first one, horizontal X, it's called, yes, food. Then draw with using your pencil a horizontal X straight line called it, yes, food. Okay, and labeled by, yes, pizza, pineapple, cake, carrot, sandwich. Okay, make a space. Make sure you make a space between each item. In second X, number of friends. We draw a vertical X using your ruler and pencil and number it, number of friends. Then, first of all, notes. We skip counting by what? 18, 6, 12, 8, and 14. It seemed like 2. Yes, skip counting by 2. Then we'll count 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay? Yes. Now go to pizza. It's 18 friends. Like it. Then go to pizza in bar graph, in this graph, and up to 18 and draw your bar. Second one, pineapple. Yes, go to the graph and draw this bar up to 6. Okay, cake, 12. Go to graph and up to 12. Carrot, 8. Go to graph and up to, yes, 8. Sandwich, 14. Go to graph and up to 14. Then you finished your bar graph. Next one, exercise number 3, represents the following data using bar graph, our family siblings. Our title is, yes, types of siblings. We write it on the graph before we draw anything. Then, drawing first X, horizontal X, types of siblings using your pencil and the ruler. Okay? And name it with, yes, types of siblings. We have no sister or brothers, only sisters, only brothers, and both of them sisters and brothers. And make sure make a space between each item. Next X, number of people who have these siblings. Okay, vertical X and name it number of people. If you note that, okay, 20, 35, 15, 50. You skip counting by, yes, by 5. Then we write 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, up to 50. Okay. Then we go to the first type, number, no sisters or brothers. Okay. We have 20. Then we go on to the graph and up to 20 and draw this bar. Next type, only sisters. We have 35. Go to the graph to only sisters and draw our bar up to 35. Then we draw this bar. Next one, only brothers. Go to the graph and go to the only brothers and up to 15. Last one, both of them, sisters and brothers, it will be 50. Go to the graph and on both of them and go up to 50. Then you complete your paragraph. Next one, number 4, represents the following data using bar graph. My favorite day. Then we go to, yes, our graph and write down our title, My Favorite Day. Okay, first X, it will be, yes, horizontal X, and draw it using, yes, your pencil and ruler, and name it with day. And these items, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Next X, yes, number of friends is horizontal, vertical X, yes, and name it with number of people. Make sure that there are space in horizontal X between each item. Okay, in vertical X we have numbers 80, 40, 70, 30, and 20. This kid counting by, yes, by 10. Excellent. Okay, then we write down numbers 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay, go to the first item. Friday, we have number of friends who love this day is 80. We go to the graph and up to 80 and draw our bar. Yes, in Saturday, we have 40. Yes, go to our graph and draw a bar up to 40. In Sunday, we have 70 friends who like this day. Then go to the graph and up to 70. On the Monday, yes, we have 30 friends. Then go to the Monday on our graph and draw a bar up to 30. On the last day is Tuesday. This day will be liked by, yes, 20 friends. Go to Tuesday in this bar graph and draw, yes, 20 friends. This bar is completed. Thank you. Next one, exercise number 5. Note then answer the following. From my favorite sport bar graph, which we draw in page 10. Okay. How many kids like tennis best? Okay, go to the graph and search for tennis, which is P. Yes, 5. Write down 5. Number 2, how many kids like swimming best? Okay, go to the graph and search for swimming. Yes, it will be 7. Number 3, which sport is liked the most? The most means we search for the tallest bar, which is B, football, and write down football. Number 4, which sport is like the least, the shortest bar? It will be the baseball. Then write baseball. Okay. 5. How many kids like baseball and tennis all together? All together means, yes, plus. Then search for baseball, which is equal 3, and tennis, which is equal 5. Then put plus between them. It will be 3 plus 5 equal 8. Yes. Number 6. How many more kids like football than basketball? More than means, yes, minus, difference. Then we search for football, which is equal 9. Then basketball equal, yes, 6. Then we write down minus. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Thanks for listening and keep safe.